Good job. You won't hunt, but you'll come for a free meal. That's okay. Stay here, please. Where's your other Jess? This is my point of view when I'm working with Gracie. This actually might be pretty interesting. So when she goes down on something, either the lure or a rabbit, the first thing I'll do, Jess's get those, and she's probably not gonna fly away because, for one, she's either on a rabbit, which is too heavy, or she has the lure, which is tied to my game bag, so she isn't gonna get too far. But for the first thing I do is just secure her. So, tie the leash onto my glove, then try to show the people how to clip your Jesses on. Don't be so sassy. Jeez, you're sassy. Stop. Sound like a chicken. Get out of here. I'm trying to... You might not be able to see it because Gracie doesn't want me in her personal space right now. But I've got a little leash clip, and that just goes onto the Jess's, like so. If I could actually get it. And put that on. And if she's got the lure, I'm just gonna take the lure from her, and I also tie, it's like a plastic piece of twine, which she probably shouldn't eat. I don't know, probably not the best, but that's usually the first thing I like to take away, just so she doesn't accidentally swallow it while she's eating a piece of meat or something. But just kind of get her. There she goes. I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to take it. So we got that. Just stuff that back in, and then she's ready to go. She can eat on the ground or on my glove. I don't know that it's too much of a deal. No. Eat what you were eating. Oh my gosh, you dork. Ho! I'll usually pick her back up onto the glove, and yeah, don't eat that piece of grass. Gosh, you're being gross today. Do you want to eat that piece of grass? You are going to, whether or not you like it or not. Alright. There we go. Just pick her up. And she'll keep eating. And then that just allows me to be more mobile and go pick up my stuff or back to the car, things like that. All right. Gracie, you're so